Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find someone on Discord. Okay, first things first, open up your Discord application. Click on Friends, then add friends in the top right corner. Type your friend's username in the provided field. So for example, if your friend's username is Rob Tucker, enter that. Click Send Friend Request to send them a friend request. Your friend will then need to accept your friend request, so if they send you one, you will need to accept it. You can check pending request in the pending section. After becoming friends, you can then send messages by clicking on the three dots next to their name and selecting message. And that's it. Hope that solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now find someone on Discord. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.